Welcome to RT Manufacture. In modern manufacturing, true automation isn't just about robots. It's about precise, repeatable processes. So how do we ensure stable quality and reliable delivery for your parts? Let's walk through the process. Automation journey. At RT Manufacture, your part journey begins with a design file. Our engineers use professional software for fully automated programming. The system generates optimal COLLISION free toolpaths and accurately calculates processing time before any physical cutting begins. The best production plan is completed automatically by software, our first guarantee of precision and efficiency. Our operators handle loading and monitoring, while the machines automatically execute all milling and turning commands, ensuring every part follows the exact same digital workflow. Through rigorous standardization, we achieve highly consistent production across all equipment and shifts. We follow a standardized inspection plan, using precision instruments to measure critical dimensions at scheduled intervals. Data is systematically recorded and used for real-time process stability monitoring. This creates a closed-loop quality control system, ensuring any variation is detected and corrected promptly. Finished parts move through standardized procedures for cleaning, deburring, and packaging. From order receipt to final shipment, information flow drives material flow, with every step guided by clear standards. At RT Manufacture, automation is our process and management system. It means predictable outcomes, reliable quality, and on-time delivery. RT Manufacture, reliability powered by standardized process.